Hi children, how are you? Welcome back our EVS class 4 LKG. Today we are going to move on a new topic, that is means of transport. Transport is one of the important thing in our life. If there was no transport, we can't travel to one place to another. All of you take out your EVS textbook, open page number 174. The chapter's name is Means of Transport. What is the chapter's name, children? Means of Transport. Children, what is transport? Ma'am will tell you. Transport means moving people or goods from one place to another. Ma'am will tell once more. What is transport? Transport means moving people or goods from one place to another place. Transport is divided into how many groups? 3 groups. One is land transport, second one is water transport, and third one is air transport. First of all, let's understand what is land transport. Land transport is the transport or movement of people or animals from one place to another. Land transport is the transport or movement of people or animals from one place to another on land. Okay. For example, auto, rickshaw, cycle, bus, scooter, etc. Next, what is water transport? Water transport through water. Clear? Water transport is through water. Example, boat, ship, yacht, etc. Third one is air transport. Air transport is the fastest and expensive transport. Okay. For example, aeroplane, helicopter, etc. So, let's discuss about our chapter. All of you take out your textbook, open page number 174. Let's start. Means of transport. Children, take the vehicle you have seen. First one, jet. This is which transport? Air transport. Clear? Second one, yacht. This is water transport. Next, third one is ship. This is water transport. Next one, scooter. This is which transport? Land transport. Next one is motorbike. What is this, children? Motorbike. This is land transport. Next one is car. Which transport is this, children? This is land transport. Land transport means this move on land. Clear? Next one, train. Train is also a land transport. Next one is bus. This is also land transport. Next one, helicopter. What is this, children? Helicopter. This is air transport. Next one, motorbike. Which transport is this, children? This is water transport. This is move on water. Next one, boat. Boat is also a water transport. Water transport means the transport is move on water. Clear? Next one is auto rickshaw. What is this, children? Auto rickshaw. This is also a land transport. And last one is bicycle. What is this, children? This is bicycle. This is also a land transport. Clear? Next, means of transport. Next, page number 176. Write the first letter of each means of transport. First one is, what is this, children? This is car. The first letter is C. C-A-R. Car. Children, all of you write C. Next one, what is this, children? This is bicycle. What is this? Bicycle. All of you write the first letter. What is the first letter? Yes, B. B-I-C-Y-C-L-E. Bicycle. And what is this, children? This is train. What is this? Train. What is the spelling of train? T-R-A-I-N. T-R-A-I-N. So, children, all of you write the first letter. What is the first letter? T. Okay. Next one, bus. What is the spelling of bus, children? B-U-S. So, children, all of you write the first letter. B. Next one, motorbike. What is this? Motorbike. All of you write M. What is the spelling of motorbike? M-O-T-O-R-B-I-C-B-I-K-E. Next one, boat. What is this? Boat. So, all of you write the spelling. What is the spelling of boat, children? B-O-A-T. All of you say after me. B-O-A-T. Next one, helicopter. What is this? Helicopter. All of you write the spelling. What is the spelling of helicopter, children? H-E-L-I-C-O-P-T-E-R. Helicopter. So, children, all of you write the first letter H. Clear? Next one, what is this, children? This is aeroplane. Aeroplane. What is the spelling of aeroplane, children? A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. So, children, all of you write the first letter A. Clear? All of you write this exercise. Clear? I hope all of you understood this topic, means of transport. So, I will wind up the class. See you in next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.